Konnichiwa, everydays. Hey guys, it's Abby. So today's video is the actual Universal Studios Hollywood vlog, which I'm so excited about. So I'm finally dressed up. I just finished having breakfast, or like a little light breakfast, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over to the park right now. It's really close to where we're staying at, which I'm really happy about. And I think first we're gonna be going to the whole Harry Potter area to take some pictures. My grandparents are coming with this as well. They'll be coming, I think, a little bit later. So we're gonna be able to have some time to take those pictures so that we're not annoying everyone. And the rest of our family members are gonna be coming over to the park, and then we're gonna be hanging out, having fun, and going to all the rides and trying all the food. Of course, I'll be recording the food, so I'm so excited. So without further ado, hajimemashou. Guys, we're here. We're at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're going to the entrance right now, and then we're gonna actually enter the park, and I'm so excited. Ikimashou. Guys, look at the iconic Universal Studios sign right here. So cute. We're finally in the park. Yay, I'm so excited. Look guys, they have the uniforms, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And all the uniforms, let me zoom in. It's kind of hard to tell because of the lighting, but so cool. Look guys, it's the whole little town of Despicable Me. This is so cute. And the pet store, let's see, Happy Priest. There's Gru's mansion right there, and a market right here. So cute. That looks like the subway, and a cute house. Let's go to the bathroom. So we're going on to the Despicable Me Secret Life of Pets. We're going on that ride next. Let's go. We're in line for the ride, and it looks so cute in here. It looks like someone's house.
Like that's your cue belief.
I miss my dogs now.
It's been great, but you know.
These look like they'd be soft, but they're not. Checkers. Wait, we're quitting here.
You are celebrity.
Looks like we're literally in someone's house right now. This is so cute. Table, side table, more tables. This is the kids' room. This is so cute. The pillow.
And she wasn't so bad at singing. Alright, I'm gonna go see what's going on next door.
Here's the kitchen. Super cute.
And it usually works out fine.
This big dog reminds me of my dog Mochi. Mochi's so fat.
I'm going to tell you about my
Point is, that's me, that's you, that's the pet store. Now I've made it my personal. Hey, you over there? Why you so nervous?
Hey guys, so we finally arrived at the Harry Potter world, and I'm so excited. Here it is. I definitely want to get some butterbeer for sure. Everything looks so cute. We're finally here. I love this area. It's so cute. Let's go into it right now. Going in here to eat the 3 broomsticks. foods they have for desserts. Next mask. We are in the candy shop right now. We have these milk chocolate frogs. I kind of wanted to buy one, but I mean, just buying one big chocolate frog didn't really feel worth it to me. And they have jelly beans. I've been seeing so many jelly beans. These are really cute though. Oh, I thought that was going to be plastic. It's actually like metal. We are heading over to the studio tour, and we are going down the escalator to head over to the little carts.
Are dead. Come on. This location, the afterlife. Come on. I have never ever seen this. You're in the good place.
I'm not. The popcorn stand with the drinks as well is right there, so we're gonna go ahead and head over there and try all the drinks. I think they have melon, green apple, and strawberry, so we're gonna go ahead and try those. So excited! Alright, let's go ahead and head over there. Guys, we're in line and we're so close. Look at all the drinks. They have the Mario strawberry, Luigi green apple soda, and the Princess Peach soda. I'm gonna try all of them. We're ordering each and every single one of them to try and give you guys my honest opinion on each one. They all look amazing. This is making me so excited for Universal Studios Japan.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the Kawaii family. We're almost at 3K subscribers, which I'm so happy to say this family is growing. So you can subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. I have so many more vlogs planned for you guys, so stay tuned. Follow me at _Abby on Instagram for some cute fashion inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. 見てくれてありがとうございます。Bye bye. Konnichiwa, you guys, it's Abby. So today we're going to be coming back home from the trip. We had a lot of fun. It was only a one-day trip, but we got to do quite a bit. Today's kind of like the coming back home sort of video, and I'm going to vlog what I'm going to be doing today. We're going to go ahead and head over to the Uber so they can take us to the airport. Flight's not going to be that long, but we want to make sure that we get there on time because LA traffic on a Monday is horrible. So we got to make sure that we're going to be there on time essentially. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the airport.
So we're eating at California Pizza Grill. I think this is just their breakfast menu, maybe not, but I love coming here for this. I can't wait to have this again. We're finally home, guys, and I'm back to my kawaii room. I'm so exhausted. We had a long day ahead of us and we ate so much, but we had a lot of fun. Probably gonna film tomorrow, I'll see. But yeah, if I don't film tomorrow, then I'll let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Follow me at _Abby on Instagram. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 3K subscribers, which I'm so excited about. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. 見てくれてありがとうございます。Bye bye.